Hey guys, welcome back to another Maddie Crafts video. And if you're new here, like button, subscribe button, notification bell helps me out a lot in making this kind of content. But guys, in today's video, it's going to be a painting tutorial, and I'm going to kind of go a little bit step by step in how I actually painted up my custom CE Marines I got right here. And they're going to all be on my eBay page, so link to that is in the description down below. It might take me a day to get them on there just because I'm going to be busy the rest of the day that I'm filming this video, but they're going to be on there within a day. Alright guys, enough of me talking, let's just get right into the video. So to start out these Marines, I need some gray here, and basically all I'm going to do is take some gray and a little bit of blue and mix it together to make a nice navy blue. Once that was finished up, I started applying it all over the base figure of my CE Marines, and that was really simple. I would normally use spray paint, but it's a little bit too cold outside where I live, so I'm not able to use spray paint and actually have it adhere to the figures very well. So I just kind of slabbed it around, not super carefully, didn't really need to since this was the base cut of everything. And then this is a new brush that I actually just got, so I was just working the bristles a little bit on my wet palette. And then I took some brown and that I put on my wet palette, and I started to apply it to the green stuff armor pieces I made off screen. I wanted to make some figures off screen, so I figured I would just make a painting tutorial video. But the number one thing that you do here, guys, is really take your time on this process. Don't rush, take your time, get a wet palette if you don't have one already, and start buying some Citadel paints instead of apple barrel paints like I used to have. Citadel paint is what I use, and it's just so much better. Getting a nice brush from Michaels. This brush only cost me around $6, and if you learn how to take care of it, it's going to last you a really long time, and it's going to make some excellent figures. So I started applying on the gray to each pieces of the armor, the shoulder piece, the chest piece, the back piece, anywhere that I've added green stuff on. Continue to apply it on the leg pieces and really got all those deep edges that the green stuff makes and creates that I created for the armor. Make sure you get in there with your fine tip. And then I also moved on to the boots and the knee guards. So I added a little bit of green stuff onto the knees for the knee guards, and I also started to apply the brown onto the helmet as well. Then for the microphone piece, I used a very metallic silver. I wanted to make this piece stand out a lot, and this is the same that I did for the dry brushing on the actual figure. Now for the dry brushing, I'm using a metallic, the same one I used for the microphone, and I am just going to go around with a cheaper brush, not a nice brush, and just start applying it everywhere onto the figure. Then for the boots, I used the black. Sorry, my hair is in this section, I do apologize, and just took my time with that as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you would like more of these custom painting videos and tutorial videos, let me know in the comments down below. So guys, a pretty simple paint job that we did here on these figures, and I think that's really important to keep it simple and kind of grow over time. I didn't add a wash to them, I just added a little bit of silver dry brushing. Don't forget, I have a bunch of other stuff. I started posting more video game stuff on my gaming YouTube channel. I have an Instagram, a Discord, a lot of stuff you don't want to miss out on if you want to kind of be a part of the community a little bit more. And also guys, we have something really cool coming up, something really secret, so you're not going to want to miss out on that. So definitely make sure that you are going to my Discord, my Instagram if you don't want to miss out on that, because we're going to start kind of something big here, me and another YouTuber, and it's going to be really cool, and I'm really excited for it. Anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please let me know in the comments down below what I should make next. Also, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps me in getting this video out to other people and more content, and it helps grow the channel. Thanks so much guys for tuning in. Appreciate it, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace out.